Can't tell you. Me and them grew up in a community. I never tell a man, say, go shoot a man this, go shoot a man this. I'm not that type of person.
Anyway, squash up, you might get it. J man, real man, great man, any man. You might get it in America.
Hill are investigating a deadly double shooting. It happened last night, and police say 2 men were the victims.
Welcome again. Hope you're doing great. Dancehall artist Squashman associate J-Man arrested in Miami for the Lauder Hill car park shootings. As the news stated, Jamaican have fingered point as main perpetrator in the turf war which erupted on the streets of Lauder Hill, Florida, United States, resulting 2 men dead and 1 man hospitalized, who is said to be an associate of the dancehall artist Squashman. Jarim Shelton, also known as J-Man, was hospitalized from gunshot wound. The police reported that a barrage of bullets were fired at Blueberry Hill Condos, northwest 56th Avenue near Oakland Park Boulevard just after 9 p.m. on Wednesday. The police have not yet confirmed if the person was involved in the shooting and not yet released the names of the 2 drop men. Shelton turned up at a hospital close by the shooting area with injuries, and the hospital informed the police about the situation. Thanks for watching. Please keep